realize you were up there. Oh, sorry. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, March 17th. It's St. Patrick's Day. Although I'm not doing anything festive today, I'll be totally honest, except my coffee mug that I'm drinking out of is a picture of Ricky and it's green, so I'm being festive. Guys, you wanna see the cutest thing ever? Do you want this apple? No, I said sit. Good boy. Is that a yummy apple, Ricky? Guys, look at my room. Isn't it clean? I know a lot of people, I'm turning the light on. Oh, the light is on. I know a lot of people wouldn't think that this is very messy, but this really stresses me out. I need to make my bed. I need to, do you see this? Did you see that? Sal, you're not supposed to do that. And then he runs under my bed. This is my lunchbox. It's gotta go downstairs. I really wanna feel you now. Get a little too close. Can I stop your heart for a moment? If I don't even care, is that really such a crime? If you're wondering, the gray blanket right here is from Costco. The pink one, which is like the softest thing in the entire world, is from TJ Maxx. This blanket right here, the white one, is from IKEA. And then my white pillow my grandma gave me like 5 years ago or something like that, so I don't know where it's from, but that's my bed. Look at Sal. It is now 12:16 p.m. and we're gonna do a haul. I have some fitness stuff, some shoes, some gym clothes, some regular clothes, some random stuff, and some beauty products. So I got a whole range, a lot of different stuff to show you. We'll start with shoes. I recently picked up these two pairs of shoes. They're kind of dirty because I've worn them a lot, from TJ Maxx. They are the brand Steve Madden. These are the Franklin shoes. They are so stinking cute and so stinking comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, I did have pretty bad blisters for like the first couple weeks that I wore them, but that has gone away. And then these ones are the Zari ones. Again, kind of the same idea, just a little bit different fabric, obviously a different color. Speaking of TJ Maxx, I have a couple clothing pieces to show you from there, including this shirt actually. This shirt that I'm wearing right now is from TJ Maxx. And then I got, you can tell I like polka dots. This shirt is Ralph Lauren, but I got it from TJ Maxx for like 20 bucks. I absolutely love the little like peplum sleeves. Is that what you call, I don't know if that's what you call it, but these kind of sleeves. This is like one of my current favorite sweaters from TJ Maxx. It's by the brand Marlid. Yeah, Marlid Reunited Clothing. It's got these gold accents on the sleeve cuffs and the neckline, or the collar line, which I just think is so pretty. There are literally already so many holes on my curtain from him doing this. You gotta stop, Sal. It's not good. Sorry, now that I took that little Instagram break, back to filming. So then this sweater I also got from TJ Maxx. It's by Tommy Hilfiger. It's just with all these little polka dots. Can you tell I like polka dots? If you tuck it in to your pants, any top, it'll instantly look a million times better. Except for like with this shirt, I won't tuck it in because it's got like this little design, but unless there's a specific reason not to tuck it in, tuck it in. My friends Sochil and Victor are just too nice. They're way too nice. And for when I like graduated college, they got me a gift card to Nike. You guys are the best. So I ended up getting this pair of sneakers, which I am so obsessed with. Nike Training Flex Training 7 sneakers. So I really like these, super comfortable. I've already worn them a handful of times to the gym, and I definitely recommend the Nike training sneakers for like weightlifting. Now that we're on the topic of fitness, I'll show you my new favorite fitness clothes. For the longest time, I wanted Flex, like the Flex collection from Gymshark, but I just didn't get it. And then for Christmas, I got, my boyfriend's mom got me the purple Flex set, which I have worn the living, I've worn them a lot. I ended up purchasing the red set as well. Totally love it. And then I also have them in the gray. I finally got one of these. This is just the bare like pad to like go like this when you're at the gym doing hip thrusts, or you can go like this when you're doing squats. Everything that I show here, I will try and find links for and have it in the description box. And then everything that I purchased from Amazon, I will have my page linked down below so you can check out all of the things if you're interested in buying them. I also finally ordered some BCAAs. These are just the strawberry kiwi ones. I've seen a lot of different people talk about these and I tried it out. So delicious. So stinking delicious. I recommend these. Two quick beauty products that I purchased. I've been looking for a new body lotion, so I looked online for like a good cruelty-free all natural body lotion, and Nature's Gate was recommended by a lot of people, so I got this from Amazon. Vegan, non-GMO tea tree lotion. It smells very good. My all-time favorite body lotion, self-tanner. It's cruelty-free. It's called Fake Bake. I get it off of Amazon for like $15 a bottle, so definitely buy it on Amazon if you're looking for it. If you guys want me to do a self-tanning routine with this stuff, let me know in the comments and I'll definitely do that. Because I've been doing this for like 3 years, so I think that I have my self-tanning procedure, whatever, you know what I mean. Let me know if you want to see how I apply my self-tanner. Oh, Sal! I didn't even realize you were up there. Oh, sorry. Vera Bradley. So I purchased this from Vera Bradley like 2.5 years ago. I keep my keys on it, all my, like, everything that I need is in this thing, and it held up totally amazing, but I wanted to upgrade. I just bought a new one. I ended up purchasing this one. It was originally $18, got it for $9 because the entire outlet was 50% off. I definitely recommend if you're looking for some sort of little wallet to hold your keys and everything. These ones from Vera Bradley are awesome. And then I also picked up this water bottle. I've been specifically wanting a bottle like this to take to work with me because I feel like I will drink so much more water if it's just out of a straw. You know, it's so much easier to drink water out of a straw, so I'll take this to work with me if I don't break it first. J. Crew, like one of my top favorite stores. J. Crew. Factory. I like the Factory because everything's less expensive. I've talked about these jeans before on my channel like a million times. I feel like I'm actually wearing them right now. They're just like a regular denim wash, high rise. They're so comfortable. Little story, I actually had purchased the white ones last summer and I wore them all the time. I wore the heck out of those pants, and then I like put them in the wash with something red by accident and they were ruined. So I thought it would be worth it to purchase another pair. So these are the J. Crew high rise skinny jeans. So now I got them in 3 colors. And then I also got this dress, which is another thing that I have in 2 other colors, and now I have it in a 3rd color. I love the cut, like I love the high neckline. It's like tight at the waist and then it flares out, and it's got pockets. I actually have this exact same dress in maroon, and I have it in bright pink. So if you can tell when I really like something, like the pants, like this, like the flex leggings, like the shoes, wow, I do that with so much stuff. I just buy it in every color because I feel like it's so difficult to find stuff that like fits you well, that you like the quality, and that you really like genuinely love. So when I find something like that, I'm just like, give me everything. Give me all the different colors. I got this from TJ Maxx and it's the brand Vince Camuto. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. It's got pockets. Anything that has pockets is just taken up like 10 notches. So absolutely in love with this dress, the color, the pattern, the pockets, everything. Victoria just walked in here and informed me that, what are you doing right now?
Nothing.
What are you doing? Tell them what you're doing.
Going on a date, kind of.
So, where's your shirt from?
My shirt, I think, is from TJ Maxx.
Okay, where's your jacket from?
I don't know, my mom gave it to me.
She's practicing dancing for her date.
That's not what I'm doing on my date.
You're such a good kid. I love you, Sal. Can we talk about those eyes? Your eyes are insane, bro. You're so fluffy. Before you leave this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button if you have not already, so you are notified whenever I upload more videos. And let me know in the comments if you like these more like vlog styled videos, because I really like them. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye, Sal.